Hey, Jerry! Trying to break the speed record? Hi, Edna. Looks like you're doing some heavy digging. Is that for a special occasion? I see. You'd better get back to it then. Whoa! Something's not right. Edna's digging is making the tunnel ceiling crumble. Jerry, you should stop! Edna, stop digging! The tunnel is collapsing and Jerry's inside! Oh no! Carl, Jerry is in trouble!
Oh!
The tunnel is blocked! Which transformation will you choose to go inside, Super Truck? Jerry, Super Truck is here to help.
Hey!
You hear something? The rocks have broken the pipes in their fall. Super Truck, you need to act fast.
Va, Linda.
Hurry up, Super Truck. Let's go! What's happening? Careful! Oh no! The water is coming your way! You need to use your special tool, the ST-3000. A laser? Awesome! Well done, Super Truck. You managed to freeze the water. Well, enjoy your skating, guys. See you later.
Hi, Troy.
You're going to deliver a cake to the candy shop. So hurry up. Don't make Carrie wait. You should be careful. Some hungry villains might try to steal the cake from you. Zitron, there is a train coming on the railroad. You'd better stop. You're looking vicious, Zitron. What are you planning for? Oh no! Zitron is going to steal the cake! Super Truck, Troy will need your help. Zitron is trying to rob the train. Let's save the train, Super Truck. Time to transform. Super Helicopter will stop the train robbery. Oh no, Zitron won't stop before he gets the cake. Zitron is very close now. Don't worry, Troy. Help is on the way. Super Truck is here to rescue the train. You'd better stop it, Zitron. Super Truck won't let you get that cake. Is that a slime gun? Super Truck, watch out! Nice move, Super Truck. Ouch! Super Truck, are you okay? You're missing the train, Zitron. Oh no, Zitron is trying to block the way for Troy. Hurry, Super Truck. Troy needs you. Super Truck, Zitron got the cake. You need to stop Zitron from using his gun. Time to use the ST-3000. Your water hose will put an end to the slime attack. Stop right there, Zitron. Watch out, Super Truck. Zitron is shooting again. Super Truck has the right defenses. Super Truck, you need to destroy the gun. Now! This gun is out of use, Zitron. Zitron is getting away. Let's bring the cake back. Keep up, Super Truck. You are close to catching the thief. Are you abandoning the chase, Super Truck? Oh, you are the best, Super Truck. You wasted all your energy in vain, Zitron. Stealing never pays. Only hard work does. Now you're ready to go. Gary wants to know how the delivery went, Troy. It was a piece of cake, thanks to Super Truck.
Gary is clearly enjoying his job. Just look at him. What was that, Gary? Did you hear that noise? Oh my goodness! Gary, quickly! Hide somewhere! It's a ghost! Oh no! It found you! We need to bring help! Stay here, Gary. I'm going to call Super Truck.
Hey!
Hi, Carl. We've got an emergency. Gary the garbage truck is being chased by a ghost. Please help him. He is terrified. ghost is very fast. You must be even faster to catch him, Carl. What vehicle will you transform into, Carl? A super race truck? Awesome! Look, super truck! The ghost is trying to get away! Quickly, run after him! That's it, Mr. Ghost. You have nowhere to run. There is something strange about this ghost. I think somebody is hiding underneath this cloth. Well, Super Truck, I think now we can finally discover who is hiding underneath this ghost costume. Aha! I knew you were not a real ghost. Why did you do that, Jerry? You were practicing your act for upcoming Halloween? I see. However, Gary got very frightened by your act. He thought you were a real ghost. But it's okay now. The mystery has been solved, and Gary has been saved. That's so nice of you, Jerry. You are a real friend. Super Truck, what are you doing? Super Truck, you are such a joker. Goodbye, everyone. Have fun on Halloween. Carrie, where are you going in such a hurry? Late for a delivery, eh? Carrie, did you hear the siren? Sounds like Bobby is in trouble. What's going on, Bobby? Bobby, sharks followed you from the ocean. Be careful. Carrie, Bobby can't hear you. Look at the road you're about to... Carrie! Carl! Carrie and Bobby are in trouble! Carrie fell off the bridge, landed on a water lily, and now sharks are coming for them! You need to save them, quick! Look, Carl! Carrie's over there! Oh no! Sharks will be unleashed from the opening bridge any minute now! Quick, Carl! Do you know what vehicle you'll transform into to save her?
Hey, Homo.
Carrie, look who's here! You forgot about the sharks. Better watch out! Bobby, Super Truck needs you to tow Carrie to the shore. Hold on, Carrie! You better hurry, Bobby! They're coming! You need to act fast, Carl! Excellent idea! You can use your magnificent ST-3000, of course! Hurry, guys! Wow! Super Truck, it's working! It's pushing the sharks away! Keep it going! Amazing! You scared the sharks away, Super Truck! Well done! Thanks for your help, Super Truck. You're right, Bobby. We'd better make the canal a safer place. Great idea, Super Truck. Let's use a net. Have fun, guys. Hi, Super Truck. What's going on? Oh, Crocomile is at it again? What did he do this time? I see. Crocomile stole your sunglasses, Jerry? Come on, Super Truck. Time to catch bad guys. Watch out! Egg bombs! Well done! That's too many eggs! Watch out! Oh no! They are smoke bombs! That's right, Super Truck. Time to transform! A garbage truck? Look, there he is! Here they are again. Watch out. Of course. What a great idea, Super Truck. Good job. Time to grab Jerry's glasses, Super Truck. Oh no, that was so close! Wait, he was right there! Where did he go? He can't have gone too far. Let's look for him. Hi, babies. Have you seen Crocomile? What should we do, Super Truck? That's your idea phase. A radar. Good idea. This should help us find Crocomile. That's not the crocodile we're looking for. Looks like the radar found something else. It's just a pile of boxes. Oh, but wait. What do we have here? Look, Jerry's sunglasses fell off. Let's bring them back to Jerry now. What an adventure! Yes, we should all thank Super Truck for his help. Super Truck? Have you seen him, Carl? Wow, look at Jerry go! Pretty impressive, eh, Walter? Whoa! Yikes, that was close! Uh-oh, looks like you guys need help. Let's get Super Truck on the case.
Hey!
Something is wrong with Jerry and Walter. They don't look well. Come quick!
Super Truck!
Here they are, Super Truck! Oh dear! It looks like we'll need a vehicle that can heal. Whoa! A super ambulance! Very cool! Why don't you use your light to check Jerry and Walter's eyes and throats? Open wide, Jerry. Not so good, eh?
Malinda, mi chumo.
What's wrong, Walter? Don't worry. Super Truck just wants to figure out how to make you feel better. Right, Super Truck? There you go. Now say ah. Same thing? Now what?
Oh. Kappa. Bientôt, mi chumo.
Ah, medical masks. Great idea, Super Truck. That'll stop the germs from spreading around Car City.
Malinda.
Uh-oh. They don't look so good, Super Truck. Oh no! They have fevers too? Looks like we'll need to use the ST3000 for some extra help. Don't worry, guys. The super ambulance will make you feel all better soon. Ah, yes! On low power, the freeze ray will cool them off and bring down the fever. Genius! But maybe you should test it out first. That's a bit too cold. Definitely turn the power down, Super Truck. Much better. Okay, you ready? No need to be nervous. Super Truck will take good care of you. Wow, look at that! All right, Super Truck, you broke the fever. Uh-oh, Super Truck is right, guys. You'd better head home now and get some rest. Get well soon. Hey, looks like you're all better after that rest. And Walter sure is a fast learner. Looks like you saved the day again, Super Truck. Well done. Have fun, friends. See you later.
Hello, Tom. What's the new invention? A size-changing potion? Oh, let's see if it works. The red potion will make the animals bigger. Now you can play together. Oh no, Crocomile is stealing your potion. Oh no, Crocomile used too much potion on the animals. They're becoming huge. You need to stop the giant animals, Super Truck. This potion will bring the animals back to their normal size. Time to transform. Let's find the spider first. Oh no! Frank is stuck in the giant spider web. The spider is behind you. You're trapped. What are you going to do? Nice move. Great job. The spider is coming back to normal. And Frank is free, thanks to you. What was that? Something huge is coming toward you, Super Truck. Carrie, what's wrong? The tiger is after Carrie. How are you going to stop him? Tigers are afraid of water. You know what to do, Frank. It's working! Great job, Frank! Time to stop the tiger, Super Truck. Your spider webs help you move fast. You're about to catch the tiger. That was close. The water stops the tiger from moving forward. This is your chance. Mission completed. Something wrong? Oh no! Crocodile is using the potion on a shark! You need another way to stop the shark. Time to use the ST-3000. Freeze ray! Let's use it before the shark hurts someone. Oh no! The shark is going to eat Bobby! The danger is contained. But how are you going to reduce the shark's size? Tom has the solution. He's been able to make more reducing potion. The shark is back to its normal size. Time to release it. The shark is free again. And Bobby is safe. You can still have fun while respecting nature. Isn't that true, Crocodile?
Hi, Carl. I see you're good at this maze game, aren't you? Walter, I'm not so sure whether it's fair play. Carl? I think there's something behind you. Walter, you've caught Carl. Congratulations. Looks like somebody's calling for help. We have to go, Carl. Oops. Lily was going through the tunnel with 3 babies when suddenly something blocked the exit. It was a giant marble that was being pushed by Billy. Don't worry, Lily. Super Truck is here to help. Stay tight with the babies. Super Truck, this mission requires a strong vehicle. Jackhammer? Wow! That looks so impressive, Super Truck! Lily, move back with the babies a little bit. This may shake you up. What is it, Billy? You see something? A danger? Oh no! Super truck! Look out! Oh, that was close! Are you okay there? Super truck, looks like that didn't work. The marble is stuck. What are we going to do now? You want to use air pressure to push the marble from the inside? But how are you going to create the pressure? ST3000! Of course! Super truck, where are you going now? To the other side of the tunnel. You want to use the super reactors to create the pressure in the tunnel? Uh-oh. Looks like we have a problem.
Super truck.
Problem solved. Super truck, the marble popped out, but now it's rolling away. Quick, you have to go to the other side. Ugh, super truck, that was so close to disaster, but you saved the situation. Well done. Billy, I forgot to ask about this marble. What is it for? You want to show us now? Okay. Wow, it's a giant earth marble. Isn't it beautiful, Lily? Thanks for today, Super Truck. You saved our friends and helped Billy finish this beautiful project for the babies. I wonder what adventure we'll see in the next episode.